If you're signing up for the first time, be sure to use the code LEPAG to unlock exclusive bonuses. You can manually enter the code during sign up, but if you've already registered under a different code, just contact live support. They will apply the LEPAG bonus code to your account. Make sure to check out our site, rubytrewards.com, for the leaderboard and much more.
Can I win that beautiful 1000x, bro? Come on. Come on, Plinko. Come on, Plinko. Can I be lucky? Can I be lucky, bro? We're spending too much. We're spending too much. But if we just got this 1000x, broski, that's crazy, you know? Could be crazy. $50,000 must win, bro. Come on. Give me that 50k, bro. Give me the 50k, my broski. No. Right. Just, I need you to keep going. I need you to keep going till we hit. I mean, even 130x on this bet size is kind of good. But I'm going to place a bet with a $100 because we're making profit here. We're making profit, guys. We are making profit. Come on. Balance is not going down. Balance is not going down. We're hitting good, bro. We're hitting goddamn good. So we're betting $100 Plinko balls. $100 Plinko balls. Come on. Kinda hard. Ripping right now, bro. Don't do that. Don't do that, bro. Let's make a profit. We're looking for big fucking profit. Hey. Rip. Balance is going down. But that's still profit. Still, so far, it's a profit, you know? So far, profit. Alright, come on. 9, 4, 2, 9. Bro, balance is still 5k. But if we hit the Plinko 1000x on a $200, 200k, bro. Imagine, can buy a Lambo.